The world's most dangerous women. Have you ever wondered about the most dangerous women in history? These women were not afraid to break the rules and challenge the status quo. They committed heinous crimes that shocked the world and left a lasting impact. In this video, we will explore the lives of 6 of the most notorious female criminals in history. We will examine their motivations, their crimes, and their legacies. Wu Zetian, 624–705 CE. Nationality: Chinese. Crimes: murder, treason, usurpation of power. Death: natural causes at the age of 81. Wu Zetian was the only female emperor in Chinese history. She was a ruthless and ambitious ruler who rose to power through murder and intrigue. She was also a skilled administrator and reformer, and she is credited with many improvements to Chinese society. Mata Hari, 1876–1917. Nationality: Dutch. Crimes: espionage. Death: executed by firing squad at the age of 41. Mata Hari was a famous exotic dancer and courtesan who was accused of being a German spy during World War I. She was convicted of espionage and executed by firing squad in 1917. Her case remains controversial, and some believe that she was innocent. Griselda Blanco, 1943–2012. Nationality: Colombian. Crimes: murder, drug trafficking, racketeering. Death: shot multiple times in the head in 2012 at the age of 69. Griselda Blanco was the queen of cocaine and one of the most powerful drug lords in history. She was responsible for the deaths of hundreds of people and was known for her extreme brutality. She was eventually captured and extradited to the United States, where she was sentenced to life in prison. She was killed in a drive-by shooting in 2012. Aileen Wuornos, 1956–2002. Nationality: American. Crimes: serial murder. Death: executed by lethal injection at the age of 46. Aileen Wuornos was a serial killer who murdered 7 men in Florida in the late 1980s and early 1990s. She was the first woman to be executed in Florida since 1976. Irma Grazer, 1923–1945. Nationality: German. Crimes: war crimes, crimes against humanity. Death: hanged at the age of 22. Irma Grazer was a Nazi concentration camp guard who was responsible for the torture and murder of countless prisoners. She was known for her cruelty and sadism, and she was one of the few women to be sentenced to death at the Nuremberg trials. Queen Mary I, 1516–1558. Nationality: English. Crimes: persecution of Protestants. Death: natural causes at the age of 42. Queen Mary I was a Catholic queen who restored Catholicism to England after the reign of her Protestant half-brother, Edward VI. She is known for her persecution of Protestants, which earned her the nickname Bloody Mary. These are just a few of the many notorious female criminals in history. These women were complex and often contradictory figures, and their stories continue to fascinate and horrify us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more true crime content.